Oh man, so altcoins are starting to move now, and you've got Polkadot, Link, and Matic, which is known as Polygon, all forming different variations of the cup and handle pattern, and they're all at different stages. I'm going to share with you my next two big trades and the exact points I'm going to be ready to enter in at. And one of them I've already started entering in and scaling in. So let's take a quick look at the charts. And I want to start with DOT, because DOT is the most advanced in terms of its breakout, right? So we were monitoring this cup and handle pattern for a while now. I've been posting videos since, you can see here, 19th of May, the cup and handle started. And we've been posting videos saying that this handle was starting to form, and we were waiting for a break through the neckline at 37.70. We did get the breakout. We know we can tie this into a bunch of fundamentals as well, because the parachains on Polkadot are coming. It's really exciting space to be in with Kusama, which is KSM token, along with Polkadot. They've got their parachain auctions. Again, if you don't understand the parachains, type in my name and parachains explained, and it should come up, okay? So I've made a deep video explaining parachains, because I know a lot of YouTubers haven't covered that off. So we've got our clean breakout now. If you haven't entered this position already, you'd want to be waiting for a few key areas. So one, you can scale up upon this breakout of this resistance at 48, or you can wait for a retest if we get a retest back to the neckline. If we get a retest back to the neckline, perfect time to re-enter this trade and ride it to the top of our price target, which happens to tie in with the Fibonacci level at about $60, okay? $60 and a couple of cents. You can ride that up to there on your price target. So really nice setup from Polkadot here, and you know they're going to have a big year going into this period on Polkadot, given the parachains and them launching their auctions for those parachains. So looking really good, lovely chart setup, and a beautiful trade. We got our breakout. If it comes down to retest, enter here. If it doesn't, you can start a position after the breakout at 48, and you can still do pretty well on that one. Now let's move on to Matic, because I've just started scaling up a position on Matic. I've just started nibbling, and again, exact same pattern, guys. Beautiful pattern. We've been monitoring it for a while. You've got this uptrend coming alongside it, and now you can see our first candle breaking out. Now we've got to be very careful here, guys. You can already see on the wick on this daily candle, you're facing rejection at the neckline. So we got a breakthrough with some good volume on neckline. At the moment, we don't have amazing volume. RSI is kind of starting to redline. So what I would be waiting for, I would not be going heavy in this position just yet, guys. We want confirmation of breakout, but I've just put my foot in position, so I'm ready, okay? You can see we're above the neckline. I'm going to head over to the hourly just to kind of show you some of my thinking in a bit more detail. So your neckline is this line here, okay? Now we've clearly broken past the neckline. We've got a couple of hourly candles beyond it. Now the perfect scenario is to come back down, retest your neckline, and then head higher, okay? That's what we'll want to see. Now, no doubt, you can even on the hourly time frame even come down a bit further here to the EMA ribbon and test it. So just be careful with opening your trade just yet. You remember, we're trading this on the daily time frame, so the hourly movements are, as long as they stay within our daily trend, it doesn't nullify what we're trying to do here. We need to get a break over some period of time above $1.71, which is the neckline, and then we can head higher. And then I'll be scaling my position as and when we start to make more momentum to the upside. Okay, so key areas of resistance are one, obviously the neckline, and then two is your big resistance at $1.92. Once you start breaking the resistance at $1.92, then you can even start scaling your position even higher to ride it to our price target on Matic Polygon of 2.79. Okay, so 2.79, very good trade here. I mean, if you're to take your measured move, I mean, if you pick it off the neckline and you run this up to your price target, that is a juicy 63% move, guys. And you guys know I don't trade with leverage, so I'm looking for nice moves like that where you can get 60% on your money over the next period of time. And again, this is a patient play, guys. We've been monitoring this for many, many days and weeks, and you'll be waiting for a nice clean breakout and trading this to the upside on Matic. Let's take a look at Link as well, because Link is forming the exact same pattern as well, guys. See, it's not rocket science, is it? A lot of people want to make this look complicated. It's not complicated. You can see the cup and handle pattern, and you can see we drew this a long time ago, guys, at least over a week ago before it was forming, and look how it's been following it, guys. Absolutely perfect. We can even go into the hourly and see that the uptrend is following the pattern beautifully. This is your hourly. And you can see this uptrend is just keeping it nicely alongside our cup and handle pattern. And you couldn't, if you were to draw a perfect pattern, you couldn't have drawn it as perfectly as this. I mean, look at that. how it's respecting my cup, my handle from my cup and handle there. So we need a few strong days yet. We're not in the clear just yet. Okay, this can still reverse to the downside and come and test these levels here, right, on its longer term trend and go around this way. But what we want to see is if we can keep this momentum coming up. You can see good volume coming in now, to be honest, and a decent room on the RSI left. If we can get a 3 or 4 more good days, then we'd be at the position of where we could see Matic, where we just saw Matic, really starting to get to the top of its neckline. And that's what we need for Link. So Link is a couple of days behind, but it gives you time to monitor it, get your positions ready, keep an eye on it. If we can break through the neckline, you've got another pattern here, trading all the way to the price target of 56.50 on Link. So 3 amazing coins, Dot, Link, Matic, all parts of my long-term portfolio, guys. You know I buy and hodl these ones. These are the ones I dollar cost average in and hold. Today, they're all slightly down, if not flat. Polkadot down 1.5%, Link down 0.2 and 0.13 on... Matic is up 7%, sorry. So they're all doing pretty well and all forming really key patterns, which is what we've just looked at, and that's what's important. Now, obviously, I'm going to trade these for a bit of fun with a small percent of my portfolio, which I'm willing to lose. If you want to trade and you're experienced, then please make sure you do so with a part of portfolio you're willing to lose. This should not affect your hodl portfolio. Please don't confuse the two. I know a lot of people who, when they're inexperienced, I did this as well, would start playing around with their hodl portfolios and they became traders with their hodl portfolio. They're two different things. One is investing, one is trading, right? And trying to blur the lines between the two will get you burnt. So you have your hodl portfolio, which is what I have. I know you, if you haven't seen my video, type in Ijaza1 altcoin portfolio, you'll see that here, or if I get a chance I'll link that up here, and go check that out, because you'll see that Dot, Link, Matic are all parts of my long-term portfolio. I have no intentions of selling them, and I'll dollar cost average into them and put my fiat currency into those. But if I see a beautiful pattern like this, which we've been monitoring for a long time, and I can see a 60% uplift, yeah, I'm going to trade it with a bit of money which I'm willing to lose. Okay, so always keep an eye on that, remember that. And if you like my perspective between, and my blend between fundamental and technical analysis, which is what I try to bring to this channel, is a mix between those, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. That really help me out a lot and help us build this community to help you guys build wealth in a sustainable and pragmatic way. And that's the key here. We want to do this in a way that has longevity. Okay, there's a lot of channels out there that will help you leverage up and create a quick buck on 100x leverage. I'm trying to do this the right way with you guys and show you how the truly wealthy people are doing this, right? Not the guys who are being flashy and, you know, throwing their sponsorship links around and saying, look, take out loads of leverage. I'm here to tell you, don't take 100x leverage, don't take 30x leverage. You can do this sustainably through investing. If you're inexperienced, investing is the best way. Dollar cost average, be patient, find a few of your favorite plays and just invest in them and let it grow over time. If you're a bit more experienced, you've understood some technical analysis, you feel like you can trade on a daily time frame or weekly time frame, then go ahead and do that, right? But with a part of your portfolio that you're willing to lose. Very, very important. So those are my updates on Link, Dot, and Matic. 3 amazing projects, all forming beautiful patterns. I've opened up a big trade on Matic, and I'm going to scale that up as we start to break through different levels. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to head over to the Discord channel. That's completely free. It's a new community we've built out there. You can head over there, ask your questions, meet like-minded people, and I'll be answering questions in there as well. Don't forget to hit the join button as well. That really helps support this channel. You'll get a sticker next to your name to show that you're a loyal supporter of this channel and you've been here since the early days. And it'll really help us out to achieve our mission of getting these videos out there to you guys and making sure that we're all investing safely and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next